Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to cancel money transfer on PayPal. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to paypal.com or download the application from the Google Play Store or the App Store. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to PayPal if you already do not have an account. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. We have the home, send, wallet, activity, and help options. And we also have the send and request and other different options here, as you can see. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and cancel money transfer on PayPal. It is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. Firstly, of course, as I said, you need to go and log into your PayPal account and click on the tab Activity or All Transactions. So as you can see, we have Home, Send, Wallet, and Activity. You just need to go and click on the Activity tab. Then locate the payment you want to cancel. So at the moment, as you can see, I have no transactions yet. But be sure when you have a transaction, it will be here. Of course, what you need to do then when you locate your activity, go and click on the option of the wall of options. You will have the cancel option. And then after that, confirm the cancellation. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.